professional opinion, based on the amount of food I have, do you think I have enough toilet paper there to go with the food I have?
I would hope so.
You'd hope so? Because I really wouldn't want to be short on the holiday.
No.
There'd be nothing more embarrassing, do you think?
Yeah, I think you'll be good.
All right.
Right.
I wanted to get in Tums. Tums, you think I had enough Tums?
I think so.
All right, you can't get loaded up with too much Tums and too much toilet paper. The holiday is here. We're back from the store. Now I'm home. Now, I really like the checkout girl, and I appreciate her opinion, but I wanted to get a more concrete answer for my question. Do I have enough toilet paper to go with my holiday dinner? Now here, we have 5 pounds of cheese. I have 6 pounds of little wieners. We have 2 bottles of barbecue sauce. Now, how many guests are we going to have, Sherry? How many guests you figure we're going to have?
13.
13 guests. How big will the ham be?
I don't know.
I'm thinking 12-pound ham. Okay, so we got a 12-pound ham. So I like to have everything figured out. I like to do my ciphering, my goes intos. 2 goes into 4. So 13 pounds of ham times 12 guests times 12. Okay, I will figure this out and get it dialed in. We have 32 jumbo rolls of toilet paper. I think we're covered. I think with 12 guests, that's let's see, what's 32 divide 12? 32 divide 12 equals, okay, 2.66. 2.66 rolls per guest. Based on how many days they are going to be here, I think we're good. Tums and acid. But all right, so we got it calculated. We got it figured out. We do have enough toilet paper to go with our food and Tums. What I want to share with you today is another Bubbas Fix It tips with the holiday season fast approaching us. And one of the biggest things that happens is emergency plumber calls come out after the holiday. With the major use of the toilet, you want to make sure that the toilet is primed and ready for business. So what I recommend you do, if you're like Bubba, you're a tree hugger, and you want to go environmentally friendly, vinegar. Vinegar's a good thing. Dump like a half a gallon of vinegar into the toilet tank. This is just a sample, it's not a half gallon, but that would be the best amount, a good half gallon, into the toilet tank and let it set for a few hours. What that will do is help dissolve the mineral deposits, the iron deposits that build up that cause the toilets to malfunction. I just had a client last week that had almost $50,000 worth of damage due to their toilet that overflowed in the basement due to it running on due to calcium iron buildup. All right, another thing you want to do on a regular basis is exercise the handle of your toilet. Turn this on and off. If it's froze up, I would leave it alone. But if it turns freely, I would come in every 60 to 90 days and open and close this valve. If you go on vacation, turn your toilet valves off. A lot of times when people are on vacation, that hose line there will rupture, flooding a house. That's what they're made for, to turn it off, and you should exercise those valves on a regular basis so they don't freeze up with iron deposits. All right, that's Bubba's Fix It tip for the day. Vinegar, environmentally friendly for cleaning out the iron deposits, iron and lime deposits. If you want to spend the money for CLR, calcium lime remover, that's fine. Vinegar may be a little more economical, a little more environmentally friendly. Okay, keep them growing and join us at worldwidegiantgrowers.com for our big green, orange, 2,000-pound pumpkins, giant tomatoes, watermelons, and Bubba's home fix-it tips. All right, happy holidays. Keep that toilet flowing.